Hey folks, let's dive into learning these practical tricks. To auto-fit the column widths in Excel, follow these steps. Select all the data by pressing Ctrl and A. Go to the Home tab, click on Cells and then choose Format from the drop-down menu. Click on AutoFit Column Width. Adding a new column can be done in two ways. Select a column, right-click, and choose Insert. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl and plus to split the first name and last name in a single cell. Type the name in the first column. Press Ctrl and E to split the cell contents. Repeat for last name. For formatting dates, use the Format Cells dialog. Press Ctrl and F1 to open the dialog. Under the Custom tab, use D for the day. Use M for the month. Use 4Y for the year. Displays full day names if you use 4D characters. Displays full month names if you use 4M characters. Now, let's talk about the incredibly useful Ctrl plus Shift plus down shortcut. Click on the first cell in the column. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow key to select the entire column. To highlight values greater than 45, use conditional formatting. Click on Conditional Formatting. Choose greater than and enter the desired value, for example 45. Select a color, for example choose yellow here. To return to the top, press Ctrl plus up arrow key. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.